Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So we're still waiting for a few more of your friends. So can you guys hear me? You can just type something in the chat box. All right. Okay. All right, thank you. So we're still waiting. I think there are 2 or 3 more of your friends. So we'll wait for another 1 minute. Okay, and then I will start our introduction class. Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So, welcome back to new academic session 2021-2022. So I hope all of you are doing fine wherever you are. Okay. So basically for this class, it's just an introduction class, okay, on how this course is going to be conducted and so on. No lecture for today's class. So it's going to be just a short introduction class, okay. So So my name is Dr. Nur Saifurina Nana Kurizan. Okay, most of our students are familiar with me because I've been teaching you guys since year 2, but I'm not sure about some of the statistics students, whether we have met before or not. Okay, so my email address is saifurina@usm.my. Okay, and my office is located at PPSM building room 013. Okay. So for now, most of us work from home. So, and you guys are also experiencing a 100% online course. So I don't think you guys will be coming to school anytime soon. Okay. So this is our class arrangement for MSG 453. So the lecture will be conducted via pre-recorded video on Elearn. So I will upload the lecture every week on weekly basis on Elearn at USM. Okay. And then we will have a live session starting from week 4, okay, for discussion. So the live session will be on Monday, starting from 9 a.m. Okay. So for the weekly live discussion session, so what we're going to do is that you're going to prepare your solution on any exercises or example in the lecture note, and you will be the one to present the solution during the live discussion session. So make sure to prepare any of the example or exercises that I ask you to. Okay, please prepare it in PDF form so you are ready to share your solution during the live session. Okay, then we can discuss. I will not be the one to provide you all of the solutions or answer. Okay, you are the one going to share with your classmate each of the example or exercises during the live session. Okay, so if there's any problem, then we can discuss together during the live session. Okay. So this is the manner of communication for this course. So at this point, I don't really have intention to create a WhatsApp group for the course. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I have all of your phone numbers. So if it's necessary for me to create the WhatsApp group for the course, then I will create one and add all of you in it. Okay. So for now, all the announcement and weekly outline will be up on Elearn. So please make sure you check your Elearn every week, okay, before the start of the lecture time. Okay, probably I will try and update the Elearn on weekly basis over the weekend, okay, because we have class on Monday. Okay, so if you want to contact me, if you have any like formal or lengthy communication you want to contact me, you can email me. And if you want to contact me because of emergency or just short messages, or you want to ask me some questions, you can WhatsApp me personally. I think some of your friends have my phone number, so you can ask around. Okay, so make sure to properly introduce yourself when you contact me and use a proper language. Okay, address your questions or anything that you want to inform me in a proper language, right? So this is the learning outcome for this course. So you have 5 learning outcomes. So by the end of this course, you are expected to be able to do all of these 5 things. Okay. So the first learning outcome is associated with your understanding. So it is associated with your knowledge in the course, for the course. Okay. And then your second outcome is on formulating. You should be able to formulate a real world problem, okay, into a queuing system or simulation model. Okay, the third and fourth outcome are usually associated with a rubric. Okay, so the third outcome is usually on your interpersonal skills. So it could be from your teamwork, okay, peer review and so on. And number four is usually I ask the student to perform some kind of analysis that is related with entrepreneurial characteristics, maybe something related to profit-based analysis, okay, and something like that. Okay, and number five, so by the end of this course, you should be able to solve problems related to QE models and simulation using the appropriate method that we're going to learn in this course, right? So now on to the course resources, okay? So these are some of the types of the course resources that are going to be available to you throughout the course. So first one is a pre-recorded video. So I will explain each of the topic on a simple slide, okay? And then I will also provide you with PDF notes. So the PDF notes have detailed explanation on each topic. However, there are some sort of empty part in the lecture notes, the PDF notes that you need to fill up, okay, as you are watching the pre-recorded video, okay? So you need to pay attention and then fill up some of the missing part in the PDF notes while watching the pre-recorded video, okay? Also, I will upload exercises, okay, and any important documents or resources associated with the course, okay? So on topic of resources, now we're going to just go through our Elearn page. Okay, let us go through our Elearn page. Okay. Right, so can you see the Elearn page? All right, okay. So this is the Elearn page for our course. Okay. So basically any important announcement I will put up here. Okay, so on top of the course, so here also you have a simplified version of the course synopsis. Okay, so we have our class timetable and so on. Okay, here I've uploaded our teaching plan. Okay, so the teaching plan basically is the detailed explanation of what you're going to learn in this course. So here is the learning outcome. So we also have your assessment. Okay, you will have 5 assessments, each associated with your learning outcome. For example, for your quiz 1, okay, it is associated with your learning outcome 1, where you have to show your understanding on the fundamental knowledge in queuing model. Okay, so for test 1, so it is associated with learning outcome number 1, 2, and 5. Okay, you have to show your understanding, you have to formulate, and you have to solve. Okay, so that is basically it. Okay, so there's list of reference and also our course outline and class schedule. Okay, so here notice that on the most right column, okay, under the remark column, okay, there are sort of the current planning, okay, where on week 4 I will distribute you assignment 1. We will have our quiz 1 on week 5. Okay, so deadline for assignment, okay, and the most important thing is on your test. We will only have one test for this course and it will be conducted after your mid-semester break. Okay, so here it is on week 10 and the test will be conducted on Monday 27 of December. Okay, during lecture hour 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, so there should be no excuse for you not to be able to attend the test because I already let you know at the beginning of the course. Okay, so schedule, okay, 27 of December, after you come back from your mid-semester break, we will have our test. Okay, usually before the mid-semester break, you have a lot of tests, okay? Some of the courses have 2 tests, so that's why you have one before the mid-semester break and before the study week, okay? So, but for this course, we only have 1 test, so I schedule it to be after the mid-semester break on 27th of December, okay? Monday, 27th of December. So the test will be conducted live via WebEx, where I will upload the questions on Elearn, and then you have to join the WebEx meeting for invigilation purpose. Okay. So also some resource on e-learning, okay, and then any further information will be available to you on Elearn. Okay, so here we have our attendance and task checklist. Okay, so please make sure, okay, now what I need you to do is please check whether your student ID and your name match or not, okay, whether you have the right student ID. So currently I'm still waiting for the latest class list. So right now there are 28 of you in this class. Okay, so you can view this Google Sheet where I will keep track of your progress throughout the course. Okay, so here is, for example, under the pre-recorded video. So I will check whether you have assessed the content of pre-recorded video or not. Okay, so I expect you to watch and complete watching the video by the end of our lecture hour on Tuesday. Okay, and this is for your attendance on live session. Okay, so I will keep track. Just now I start the session at 9:05 a.m. Okay, so if you're late, then you will get a yellow cell. Okay, if you're absent, it's red. And please make sure you send me a notice if you're not able to attend the class. Okay, so here under the tab task, I will keep track of any task that I ask you to submit on Elearn, okay, just to make sure you complete everything. So all of the tasks and everything will be updated here on weekly basis. Okay. So let us go back to our Elearn session. Sorry, Elearn page. Okay. So this is on your week 1. Okay. So anything, so the weekly schedule, I will update here over the weekend before Monday. Okay, so here also you will know whether we will have a live session or not the following week. Okay, so I will update to you here. Okay, so all of the resource here, currently we already have one lecture notes and one video for lecture 1. So I will unhide this content after the class so you guys can download. Okay, so but please make sure that you did not distribute the course material outside of the course. This is just for your personal use. Okay, so for example, your lecture notes. So this is your PDF notes. Okay, so there are some part where you have to fill up. For example, under here, you have to fill up this example while you're watching the video. It is given to you in the video. So please pay attention and then you can fill up your PDF notes. Okay. Right, so here also, okay, I will track your progress. Okay, so any video or any task that I want you to complete, okay, so I can track your progress on the right hand side under completion tracking. Okay, so please make sure you pay attention on what task you need to complete, and please watch and download all of the lecture video. Okay, so this is the example of the lecture video. So I expect you to complete watching the video by tomorrow. Okay. So this is just a simple explanation. This is just an explanation on a simple slide because I don't want to explain on the PDF notes. Okay. So then after the class, you can download and then watch it. Okay. All right. So that is on our Elearn page. Okay. So let's go back to our slide. Okay, so this is the distribution of your assessment. Okay, so this course comprise of 60% of coursework and 40% of final exam. So you will have 5 assessment. Okay, you will have 2 quizzes, 2 assignments, and 1 test. So quizzes, test, 2 quizzes and tests are all evaluated individually. Okay, the same goes to your assignment 1. Okay, your assignment 2 will be a group work. So this is used during the second half of the course. So on the group, probably I will assign the group randomly to make sure you can work with anyone, not just your friends. Okay. And then final exam, 40%. So since this semester PPSM still conduct and fully 100% online course, so we will have the final exam via Webex as well. Okay, so same sort of similar manner to our test. Okay, so this is our timeline, weekly timeline for our course. So this week is week 1, so we will learn on basic concepts of Q. So this is just some introduction to the course. Okay, and then week 5 we will have our quiz and so on. Okay, so this is just currently the plan, but still depending on the progress of the class. So on your test, the topic covered will be what you learn until before the break. Okay, so we'll see about the progress of the class. Okay, so if we're able to complete all of the topics according to plan, then for your test, the topics covered would be up until non-exponential queuing models. Okay, so I will update on the topics covered on Elearn as well. So please make sure you check your Elearn regularly before your quiz, okay, before and also before your test. Okay, so during the second half, basically the focus of the course is on simulation. So we will also have one industrial talk. Okay, so currently I schedule it to be during the final week, but we'll see if we can get some industry representative to give you a talk like maybe around week 12 or week 11 or week 12, so that we can try and incorporate that in our assignment 2 as well. Okay, so this is currently I plan to hold the talk uh, on week 15, but if we can do it earlier, so it'll be much better so that we can try and incorporate the sharing session with our assignment, group assignment. Okay. So, all right. So basically that is all for our introduction class. Okay. So do you guys have any questions that you want to ask me before we end the session? Any questions? Everyone okay? All right. Okay. So I will okay, so since there's no questions, so we can end our session. So I will unhide the course material for this week afterwards, so you guys can go and download your lecture notes and also watch the video. So anything, so please check your Elearn on weekly basis for any announcements. So I'll see you guys again. Oh, sorry, one question from, I know for now I don't intend to create a WhatsApp group, okay? But if I do, I will add all of you in because I have all of your phone number from Elearn. Okay, for now I don't have a plan to create a WhatsApp group for now. Okay, so if we need one, then I will create one. Okay, I will add all of you in and probably put the link to join the group on Elearn as well. Okay. For now, mainly, so please just refer to your Elearn for any announcement or weekly outline. Okay, I know. All right, okay. So please go ahead and download your course material for this week. Okay, so I'll see you guys again for online meeting on week 4. So for students that don't have my phone number, you guys can contact your OR student from OR group. So they have my phone number in case you need to WhatsApp me personally. Okay. So thank you guys for attending to this session. So welcome back and I'll see you guys again later. Okay. Bye. Thank you.